Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have Bokeh and light leak background. You can use for overlay and you can use for a background. So first I drag this file in Photoshop. So you can see here and you can use as a background. First I write a text, for example Sheri SK, color is white and size is 72 or more increase. Okay, and right here create new layer, press Ctrl backspace for fill color, and right here get free graphics files on Sheri SK channel. Okay, and you can use anywhere as a background, as a Bokeh, I mean overlay. So I delete this text and open any other photo, for example like this here, and drag. Wow, these are large. Enter and press on screen. You see here, wow, hard color like a mobile filter. Okay, so I just on screen press U and you can change color. Wow, for example lightness. Okay, and I try to other file, for example like this. You know about, you can use as a background, you can use as a overlay. Sheri SK, change font, whiter. Enter. These are large files, that's mean high definition. And you can write anything, your title. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.